Sammy came to us with a problem. Our cat is stuck on the island in the middle of the pond. We want to help Sammy build a boat to rescue our cat using the math concepts of estimation, addition, measurement, geometry, and money.
Our thesis is that we believe that we can use math concepts to help build Sammy a boat.
We researched math concepts on the internet.
We researched how to build a remote control boat on the internet and used books from the library to research different kinds of boats and their shapes.
We also researched famous boats in history that sank and found out why. We used books and the internet for this.
Then we used our new knowledge to search Thingiverse for boat designs we thought would work. We downloaded our designs into Cura and 3D printed the hull, rudder mount, rudder horn, servo mount, and motor mount. We interviewed an engineer and our former math teacher for suggestions. We asked the engineer for help figuring out how to properly mount the motor. He explained it was important to get the angle right for durability. Our math teacher was impressed with our project and our use of math. The first part of our outline are math concepts that apply to our project. They are estimation, addition, measurement, geometry, and money.
The second part of our outline is famous boats and why they sank. Here you can see the details on the Titanic and the Edmund Fitzgerald.
The third step of our outline is how to build a remote control boat. First, obtain a hull, motor, servo, battery, and radio transmitter. Then, glue a motor in the bottom rear of the boat and set up prop. Then, waterproof the openings, fit in the rudder, and glue receiver in the front of the boat.
Our first math concept is estimation. We each estimated how far we thought it was from the shore to the island. Wyatt estimated 47 feet, Kaylee estimated 30 feet, Tiernan estimated 40 feet, and Cameron estimated 60 feet. Then we used a rope to measure the actual distance. We used a tape measure to measure the rope. The answer was 38 feet and 5 inches. Tiernan won!
Our second math concept is addition. We had to add 2 sets of numbers to find out how far away the island was because our tape measure wasn't long enough. 25 feet plus 13 feet 5 inches equals 38 feet 5 inches. Our third math concept is measurement. As previously mentioned, we had to measure the rope we used to see how far away the island was. We also measured how low the boat sat in the water when all the components were in. Only 1.5 inches of the hull was under the water. We didn't want Sammy to sink. He didn't want to sink either.
Our next math concept is geometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with shape, size, relative positions, or figures, and the properties of space. We researched different hull shapes to find the one that works best for our boat.
We chose the shallow V. It allows the boat to plane on top of the water rather than just floating. It reduces the amount of water the boat has to push out of the way, allowing it to run more smoothly.
Our fifth math concept is money. We were able to use an old speed controller, motor, receiver, remote control, and battery from one of Wyatt's old RC cars that he upgraded. So this helped on the cost. We 3D printed most of the parts and purchased the rest from a hobby store. Our total was $29.64. Building a remote control boat was harder than we thought it would be, but we did it.
It works! Sammy saved our cat from the island.
Thanks to mathematics for the ability to build something useful and fun to play with.